Hello everyone, today I am going to show you how to make a cool thumbnail. Go to canva.com and click on YouTube thumbnail. You will see 5 tabs: templates, elements, uploads, text and more. There are more than 400,000 templates, so you can choose any one of them. Now we can start editing our thumbnail. You can change the text to anything you want. Right click and drag the text. You can change the font size or color of the text. In the Elements tab, you can add any shape. You can also change the color of the shape. In the Uploads tab, you can upload any images from your files. You can resize the image. You can add any style text in the Text tab. Click on Add a heading and type some text. You can resize, change the font and font style. When you're done, click on Download and download a free watermarked draft. Now you can view the thumbnail. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe.